Now in this page, we are going to have problem solving. As I told you before, when we read a problem, we should underline the question, underline the important information, and if we have any keywords. Now here, let's read it first. Sasha has a string that is the length of 10 beads. Each bead is 2 inches long. What is the length of the string? Of course, I'm underlining because I'm reading with you, but in your case, you shouldn't underline all of this. So here, what is needed? Okay, boys and girls, to know the length of the string. So the question is, what is the length of the string? You should highlight it or underline it. Okay? Now, in this kind of problems, I believe that drawing is the best way to answer. So we will create the string. And now this string has a string that is the length of 5 beads. So here we have 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to make it a little bit longer. Can make it like this. 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if each bead here, each one is 2 inches long, how long this string would be? Actually, you have 2 ways to solve this. Whether to add, so this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, each bead is 2 inches. So you can say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So we have the 5 beads here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and say this is equal 10. Or you can count by 2. So you would say, we start from here, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, as if we are using a number line and we are counting by 2. So the answer is 10 inches. Now let's read the next question. It says, Maurice has a string that is 15 inches long. He has beads that are each 3 inches long. How many beads will fit on the string? So the question is, how many beads will fit on the string? Now, as I told you, this kind of problems, it's better to draw it. So we have here a string which is 5 inches. Okay? And he has beads that are each 3 inches. Now let's imagine that this part is 0. This is a starting point. And we need to know how many beads. Now each bead is 3 inches. So what about counting by 3? Till we reach 15. Let's see. We can say this is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now we will do it like this, as if there is a bead. Now can you count with me how many beads now? Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 beads. Of course, the way that I am answering those questions could be different from the way that you can use. The most important thing for me is to get the right answer, whatever was your method. Now, let's see the last question. Now, Tamika had this string and she has many beads that are 1 inch long. Like this blue bead. So this blue bead is 1 inch. So what is the best estimate for the length of the string? Draw more beads on the string to show your estimate. Now we will try to draw some beads like this one that is 1 inch long. So let's draw 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, I made it. So it could be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have here 4 more beads. So what is the total number of beads here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If each bead is 1 inch long, if each bead is 1 inch long, that means 5 inches. Excellent. So it's very important also in those kinds of questions. For example, if you are talking about estimating the length, you should know each bead equal how many inches long, because here in this example it was 1 inch long, in this example it was 3 inches long, in the other example, in the above example, this one, it was 2 inches long. So as you see here, I will write it here so you can understand. Here the bead was equal to 2 inches. I'm sorry. So here the beads, okay, let's continue. The beads, each bead, sorry, it was 3 inches. Here each bead is equal to 1 inch. So it's very important to know how long is the bead, how many inches long. Okay, because it's not fixed. Not all beads are 1 inch long. As you see here in the problem solving, we used it in each example, beads which are different in inches. Okay, so this is a very important point in the problem solving. I hope you understand the lesson. If you have any questions, please, you can submit it in the students' inquiries. Good luck, boys and girls, and see you tomorrow.